In this video, we're going to be talking about the Galaxy A54 and its new case that was actually just leaked. This is going to be a Samsung branded case and it actually looks pretty cool. If you guys know back then LG, or if anyone had the LG Stylo or an LG device that had one of those like wallet cases, it looks like it's going to be one of those, and it kind of does something cool where there's a magnet in it and it shows the clock and all that cool stuff. But we're going to go over that in a second. Now, as you guys know, the specifications that we have been talking about on the Galaxy A54, they have been secured and locked in place. So if you guys actually go to gsmarena.com, I'll leave a link in the description down below to the exact specifications. Those are going to be the specifications of the Galaxy A54. So those are set in stone. It looks like the release of this device is going to be mid-March for the United States. And 16 hours ago, or about a day ago, there was an article that was released about the release in India. So any of my Indian viewers, the Galaxy A54 should be releasing for you at the end of March. But let's go ahead and get in this article, and this article is from gsmarena.com. I'll place the article separate from the specifications if you guys want to go and check it out, and I'll label those in the description. But this article, of course, is from gsmarena.com, and it states, official Samsung Galaxy A54 case shows up online prior to device launch. So it says there's a little left in the way of mystery surrounding the Galaxy A54. A few days ago, the phone was featured in yet another massive leak, complete with specs and detailed renders. And as far as we know, we don't even have to wait that long for it to become official as well, with alleged March 15th announcement date alongside the Galaxy A54. So we actually just talked about that in our last video, but it looks like this is what the case is going to look like. And this is a Samsung branded case. I don't know if you guys are excited about this. I think this actually looks really cool, but this is going to be a Samsung Galaxy A54 SmartView wallet case. So you guys, of course, are going to be able to get that smart view of your, I guess, notifications and your clock toggle right there as well. So that's pretty cool. This is what's going to look like. Let me know what you guys think about this. I'm not really the type of person to use one of those clock cases or one of those wallet cases or whatever. But I'm definitely going to pick this up. I'm definitely going to review it. If you guys are going to pick it up, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm usually like, I just want like a rubber case, something super plain, not anything too fancy, to be quite honest. I've had these cases in the past, really. And it feels like a little bit more business oriented, but I may get back into it, who knows. In the meantime, Samsung Macedonia apparently decided to hop onto the leaks train, revealing an official case for the Galaxy A54. It is called the SmartView wallet case, as we just stated, and as the name suggests, it is a wallet style case with a space for a card on the inside and a window to reveal part of the phone's display. The accessory itself doesn't look particularly special in any way, but we appreciate all of the seemingly pastel color options in which it will be available. Plus, if there was any doubt remaining regarding the design of the Galaxy A54, it can officially be cast aside now. The A54, as renders have already suggested, really does look like the Galaxy S23 series of phones with separate cameras on the back, two flat pieces of glass, and a metallic looking rounded frame sandwiched in between. And of course, I want to know what this phone is made out of. I don't know why they haven't released that information yet. I'm hoping it's glass. That would be dope. The first Galaxy A series device that's made out of glass. I'm pretty sure I haven't seen any other A series devices that are made out of glass. Here's I guess a little bit of a better view of the cases right here, as you guys can see. Of course, as I said before, there is a space to put a card inside of there, and of course, you guys can close this. It covers the screen and you get that little smart view right there. Now, I don't know if we're going to be getting notifications on this. It doesn't say anything so far. If we're going to be getting notifications in the smart view, I'd assume that you'd be able to get notifications through that, but I'm not sure yet. But hopefully we do. That'd be really cool. It says we can also see the volume rockers and power button in their standard location on the right hand side of the phone, and one of the renders even conveniently showcases the bottom side of the device with a speaker, microphone, and USB Type-C port, but no 3.5mm headphone jack as expected. So that kind of sucks. I would really love to see that on this device, of course. But this is going to be an opportunity for Samsung, of course, to sell their Galaxy Buds right here. I actually just picked these up a few days ago. I'm really liking them. They're the Galaxy Buds 2. I probably paid a little bit over on Amazon. They're like $74.99. I got them from Best Buy. It was kind of like an impulse purchase, but they were $99.99, so $100. Really good noise canceling on them. I really like it on there. So if you guys want to pick up some earbuds like these, they're wireless earbuds. Really nice case right here. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but if you guys get the Galaxy A54, this may be a good purchase for you later on, but I'm really liking these so far. Definitely a great update from the wireless earbuds that I had previously. Kind of sucks, I actually went in the hot tub with the Google Pixel Buds like a year ago, so those are completely drowned, and I just have been using some random ones that I got from some random company. So great upgrade right here. So that was a side note, sorry about that. But it says, as far as we currently know, the Galaxy A54 will offer IP67 ingress protection and stereo speakers. It will also offer a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy A54 will be rocking an Exynos 1380 chipset along with 6GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM and either 128 or 256 gigabytes of expandable storage. We're also expecting a 50 megapixel main OIS enabled camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel macro, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And last but not least, a 5000 milliamp battery with 25 watt charging. So that's going to be fast charging right there. That's a decent wattage, to be quite honest. I was hoping for like 35 or 45 or whatever, but 25 is always decent enough, of course. Phone is looking good so far. Of course, the prices that we have seen in the past that were leaked, I'm hoping this device doesn't launch at those prices, but of course I don't think they're going to be doing that. But let's just hope we get a decent price on this device, and everything that was stated in here is actually true, and it looks like that so far. So this is what we can expect for the Galaxy A54. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you guys are going to pick up this device. I know the Pixel 7a is probably going to be coming out pretty soon, so I'm going to have to compare these devices, obviously. So when I pick up those devices, that's going to be a hell of a comparison. But yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking about in the mobile tech industry right now. If you guys have any other questions or any other news to let me know about, of course, leave it in the comment section down below. But again, hopefully you guys have a beautiful day. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.